In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly navigate Timberland's website to access your order details. To begin, let's open your preferred web browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Now, type in the web address u.timberland.com and hit enter. This will take you right to Timberland's homepage where you can see everything they have to offer, from the latest in outdoor gear to classic footwear designs. Next up, we need to sign into your account. Look towards the top right corner of the page and you'll notice a sign in link. Give that a click. You'll be prompted to enter your email and password associated with your Timberland account. If for some reason you've forgotten your login details, don't worry. There's usually a link nearby to help you recover or reset your password, ensuring you can regain access quickly and easily. Once you've successfully signed in, focus your attention back to the top right area of the page. There you'll find your account name or possibly an icon representing your account settings. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. This is a handy little hub where you can manage all aspects of your account, but for today, we're zeroing in on your orders. So go ahead and select My Account from the menu. Now you've arrived at the heart of your Timberland interactions. Your My Account page is laid out to serve you all the information you need. The next step involves navigating to your order details. Typically, within this section, you'll find a variety of choices laid out for you. Look for an option related to your recent orders. It might be labeled as Orders or something similar. Click on this option to be taken to your order overview. Here you will see a list of your recent purchases, complete with essential details such as order numbers, the status of your order, and links to track your shipments if they're on the way. Each order summary allows you to dive deeper, offering you insights into the specifics of the items you've purchased, the estimated delivery dates, and more. If you need to reference your order history or are excitedly tracking a delivery's progress, this page is your go-to resource. And that's it! By following these straightforward steps, you've not only learned how to sign into your Timberland account, but also how to efficiently access and review your orders. Remember, Timberland's customer service team is just a click away if you have further questions or need deeper assistance. Thanks for tuning in and happy browsing.